Are you tired of sifting through endless emails in your Gmail inbox? Well, look no further because in this video, I'm going to show you how to use search filters in Gmail on your PC with the new update. First things first, open your Gmail account on your PC. Once you're logged in, head over to the search bar at the top of the screen. You'll notice a small filter icon next to it. Click on this icon to open the search settings. Now, it's time to choose the options you want to filter your search by. You can filter by sender, subject, keywords, attachments, and more. Simply select the criteria that best fits what you're looking for. Once you've selected your filter options, click on the search button. Gmail will then display all the emails that match your search criteria. It's as easy as that. By using search filters in Gmail on your PC, you can quickly and efficiently find the emails you're looking for without having to scroll through countless messages. So next time you're feeling overwhelmed by your inbox, remember to use search filters to easily organize and locate your emails. That's all for now. Thanks for watching and happy filtering.